everyone, today we are going to be pickling some banana peppers. So you can see I have just a handful of banana peppers here. It's roughly a pound for this recipe. So we're just going to start. I'm going to wear gloves, by the way, just because they can be a little bit spicy. It can come off on your hands. If you rub your eyes afterwards, no fun. So just kind of a quick tip for you. But we're just going to come in and slice off the tops. And then if you want, you can either do, well, you could do the whole pepper too if you want. We're going to be doing rings today. So we're just going to come in and probably get a sharper knife after this. But just do, quarter to half inch slices there. You can go ahead and remove the seeds if you want or leave them in. But we're going to go ahead and make rings out of all of these. I won't make you watch that. And then we're going to come back and make the brine. Once we have our peppers cut up, we're going to make the brine. So we're going to do 3/4 cup of white sugar in here. And you can use kind of whatever sugar you use. We're just using regular white granulated sugar. Again, that's 3/4 cup. Next, we're going to do 1.5 cups of white vinegar. Will be followed by 1.5 cups of our apple cider vinegar here. That's kind of a close-up shot. And then we will add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. If you want, you can go ahead and add a teaspoon of celery seed or celery salt as well. But we're just going to start with the teaspoon of just plain old mustard seed. Then we're going to bring this to a boil. And while that's boiling, we can go ahead and, if you want, clean out all the seeds out of your peppers and pack these into a quart jar or pint jars, whatever jars you want. But we're going to boil our brine while we prepare our peppers by packing them. You can see our peppers are in the jar now. I'm going to bring our boiling liquid over. We brought this brine to a rolling boil. And then we're going to cover. We'll want this to leave about 1 inch of headspace. You don't want these to be too cold before you pour it in because it can cause cracks, so you'll want to run these under warm water or have warm peppers before you do this. Otherwise, you can wait for your brine to cool just a little bit. We'll pour it over the top. Some storage options. You can just put these directly in the fridge and they'll save for a month or two. Otherwise, we're going to be pressure canning these. You can also do rolling or a boiling method canning and process them for about 12 minutes. I guess these, for the large jars, say these ones are about 10. We're going to do at 12 pounds of pressure, roughly 11 minutes, but follow your directions for your area and altitude. And then they are good kind of indefinitely, but as long as you keep something in your pantry. So we'll go ahead and pour this over and let you know what they look like when it's done.